Hi, I work with Endeavor Air. I'm a motor maintenance operations tech rep. What do I love about aviation in general? It's something new every day. It's something most people don't get to do. Any given day, I can come in and just do a regular routine Monday type of day, and next day I could be doing engine changes and heading out on the road to bring an aircraft back into service. 15 plus years I've been in the industry. I've ran into people, both graduates from when I was in the school, around the world. It's kind of funny to think of aviation as a small world, but it really is. Get into the program and stick with it. It is a tough program, but even outside of aviation, there's so many different career paths that you can go down. I guess my backup plan, so to speak, if I ever had to get out of aviation, but I want to stay local, is facility maintenance, things like that. You are qualified in pneumatics, hydraulics, electrical, schematic reading, sheet metal work. You're qualified in almost every venue of maintaining systems out there. Demand for aviation techs right now more than ever, I think. We were actually in a huge scare of losing the vast majority of our senior technicians because a lot of guys were reaching retirement age. So there was already a ramp up for trying to get technicians, both with regionals, general aviation, major airlines around the world. The biggest phrase that was always shared with us from our instructors when I was going through the school was, it's a license to learn. And it is no truer statement.